let us start with the continue and break statement. For example, first we see continue statement explanation. Continue statement is used to skip the part of the loop. Continue statement is used to skip part of the loop. For example, consider in this example, while true provides indefinite number of times iteration and input is asked with the user and it is stored to username. If username not equal to ABC, continue statement will be executed. What this statement does? See here, this program is written for inputting username and password. If entered username is not proper, then it should repeatedly ask the username. When the username entered is properly given and then the condition whatever you given, username, if username is ABC, if username is ABC, then this condition becomes false. Now control goes to this statement because continue statement will not work. Continue statement works only when if username is not expected username, that is if username is not equal to ABC, then only continue statement works. What it does, continue statement brings the control to while loop. It won't transfer the control to next statements. Okay, this statement will not be executed if continue statement executed. Continue statement directly transfer control to while loop. Okay, then once again username equal to input, enter username. Okay, that statements will be executed. Still you enter proper username. When entered username is equal to ABC, then this condition becomes false. Continue statement will not be executed. It goes to this statement. Okay, it asks the password from the user. See, password should be properly given. If the password is not matching expected password, then it executes a break statement. What the break statement is? Break statement is used to exit from the loop or break the loop in between. If password is not matching to pass, then break statement will be executed. If password is matching to pass, then break statement will not be executed. It comes to this statement, print username and password, and then goes to while loop because this much will be inside the while loop. This forms a block of statement inside the while loop. If password is not equal to pass, then it come out of the loop by using break statement. Okay, thus break statement is used to exit from the loop in between. Okay, this will be one application program to check for user entered username and password. Okay, I think you understood the working of continue and break statement. Now we execute this program. See, first while true will be satisfied. It asks the username from the user. Okay, and when you enter string, you have to enter in single quote. Okay, enter username as PQR. Enter username as PQR. If entered username is not equal to ABC, it transfers the control to continue statement. I said, yeah. Now entered username is PQR. It is not ABC. It goes to while loop. Okay, continue statement will be executed now. Therefore, it goes to while loop. See, entered username is not ABC. It executes continue statement and while loop will be repeats once again. Now enter the username properly. ABC. Enter. Now username not equal to ABC will be false because username is ABC. Yeah, when username is ABC, it goes to this password statement. Okay, password equals input, enter the password. It asking the password. Here also, if password entered is properly entered. For example, if password entered is PASS, a password here in execution window. If password entered is PASS, then it displays, see, password should be given in single quote, otherwise it gives error. See, now it is giving error. Once again we have to run the program, enter the username in a single quote ABC. It won't execute continue statement now. Enter the password in single quote PASS. Okay. When the password equal to pass, then it won't execute the break statement. Correct? Because password not equal to pass. See, if password equal to pass, then it won't execute the break statement. If password not equal to pass, it executes a break statement. Okay. Now, which statement will be executed? Password not equal to pass condition becomes false because password equal to pass. Therefore, it displays username and password. Print username and password statement will be executed and break will not be executed. See, break is not executed. Therefore, it is transferring control to while loop. Once again, it asking the username. See, username you give ABC, okay, and password you give some different password, okay, some different password. Enter. Now, when password is not equal to pass, it executes a break statement. You see, it is executing the break statement. Break statement exits control to out of the loop or breaks the control to out of the loop. Okay, out of the loop means it is coming out of the while loop. Okay, I think you people understood continue and break statement.